There may be some of you on TikTok that wants to post something, but sometimes you don't want everyone to see your post. Maybe you just want your friends to see it, or it's just something for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the privacy settings on your TikTok videos so that when you upload it, you can choose if it showcases to everyone, just your friends, or if it's private and just for you to see. Hi, and welcome back to day 73 of 100 social media tips. When it comes to privacy settings, you can change this in the future. Say there is a video or carousel that you posted only for yourself or your friends, but then you want everyone to see it, you can go back into the post and change the privacy settings. Let's break down how exactly to do this. So I have this video here and I want to go and change the privacy settings. What you want to click is here where you can see everyone can view this post. We can change the privacy settings to friends or only for you, and then you can just go ahead and then post the video. It will take a few seconds to see, but then when you go into profile, where you can see this post is actually in this privacy section here, and it will just show you your private videos that you've changed the privacy setting for. Now I can see that this has no views and it's just privately posted. If I want to share this to my friends or so that everyone can see it, what I want to do is click these three dots at the bottom and then scroll through until I see privacy settings. And then we can go back and change that here. So that's everyone, friends, or only you. So I will put this at friends. Friends are those that follow you and you follow back. And then now when I refresh the page, it's no longer in my private section. If I go into my page here, you will see this icon at the bottom right where it has that friend symbol there, showcasing that it will only show you to your friends. That's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.